Recent Ukrainian intelligence estimates from November 2025 do indicate that Russia plans to produce at least 70,000 long-range drones of various types in 2025, including around 30,000 Shahed-type UAVs. These figures come from Vadym Skibitskyi, deputy head of Ukraine's military intelligence, HUR, and have been widely reported in Ukrainian and Western media outlets. Earlier estimates from Ukrainian sources varied. For instance, in August 2025, HUR projected around 79,000 Shahed-type drones specifically for 2025, while July-August reports mentioned plans for about 40,000 Shaheds, plus 24,000 decoy drones like the Gerbera. Production has reportedly ramped up significantly, with monthly outputs reaching 170 to 190 Shaheds per day by mid-2025 at facilities like the Alabuga Special Economic Zone in Tatarstan, aided by Iranian technical support and potentially North Korean labor, up to 12,000 workers by year's end. Russian state media like TASS and RT acknowledge ongoing expansions in drone production, including new facilities and branches like the Unmanned Systems Forces, but provide no specific figures confirming or refuting the 70,000, 30,000 estimates for 2025. They do highlight outputs for other drone types, such as over 50,000 Prince Vandal FPV drones in 2025. No direct Russian denials of the Ukrainian claims appear in available sources. Discussions on X largely echo these Ukrainian reports without significant pushback, focusing on the implications for Ukraine's air defenses. Overall, the estimates seem consistent with Russia's push to scale up drone warfare, though actual output could vary based on sanctions, supply chains, and battlefield needs.